Introducing the JOYOR S10-S-Z folding electric scooter. Your ultimate ride for speed, power, and convenience. With 1000 W x2 dual motors, the JOYOR S10-S-Z delivers powerful acceleration and effortless performance for urban commutes and adventure rides. Powered by a 60V18Ah high-capacity battery, it offers an impressive up to 75 kilometers range on a single charge, giving you freedom to go farther without worry. Its 10 x 3.0-inch widened tires provide stability and grip, perfect for tackling both smooth streets and rougher paths. Designed for convenience, the folding design makes it easy to store and transport wherever your journey takes you. Smart LED controls let you monitor speed, battery life, and riding mode instantly. For speed, style, and comfort, the JOYOR S10-Z is built to ride. Power meets freedom wherever you go. Power, range, adventure. Your next journey starts